Republicans in Concord wanted a bulwark against federal overreach on firearms regulation when they passed House Bill 1178 this year. The legislation prohibits state officials from doing anything to help enforce federal gun laws that are incompatible with state law. But today, Attorney General John Formella told the Executive Council the new law may not be as sweeping as some believe.
The law is narrower, I think, than it's been reported. It doesn't try to say that federal firearms laws aren't enforceable in New Hampshire or in effect in New Hampshire. It just deals with what state and local agencies can do to cooperate and assist with the federal government in enforcing those laws.
Already facing questions, the AG's office issued a memo Wednesday saying it is working on guidance for local law enforcement that now has to make sure before officers enforce or cooperate on a federal case that state law lines up with, quote, any federal law, regulation, or executive order regarding the regulation of firearms, ammunition, magazines, or the ammunition feeding devices, firearm components, firearm supplies, or knives. Democrats say the law could hinder the implementation of any expanded background checks or new red flag legislation that might pass in Washington.
90% of the citizens of our country believe that there should be universal background checks, and we should be doing them here in New Hampshire.
We spoke with Governor Chris Sununu about this new law earlier this week. He says he does not anticipate significant conflict between state and federal gun laws or problems for local law enforcement.
We feel very confident about the law as it moves forward, but the Attorney General always reviews laws that have any impact with the federal government just to make sure that we're dotting the I's and crossing the T's. But so far we feel very confident that, as we move forward, the federal laws are the federal laws and the state laws are the state laws.
In Concord, Adam Sexton, WMUR News 9.